Hi, grade 1.
Okay, see you again with Miss Hannah
And Miss Maria. Okay, for our last discussion, we were discussing about money, still about money, about notes and hundred. How to count your money if you have notes and if you have coins in hundred. Now, let's do a short review about hundreds and thousand, about coins and notes.
Okay, so just to remind you, 100 you have 2 zeros, okay? So 200 is 2 and then 2 zeros. 100, 1, number 1 and then 2 zeros. Just to remind you that today we're going to count on the hundreds we have to make 1,000. Okay, ready?
Okay, now let's start with 100. Here I don't count how many coins do I have, but can you guess how many 100 coins do I need to make 1,000? I give you 10 seconds. Okay, can you guess how many? Now, let's count it together. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Is it 1,000 already? Not yet. Do we still need more coins? Yes. 600, 700, 800, 900, and 1,000. So how many coins do you need to make 1,000? You need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You need 10 coins of 100 rupiah to make 1,000. How many of you can guess it correctly? Good job. Okay. Now, how about 200 coins? Let's count. Let's count on by 200. 200, 400, 600, 800, 1,000. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 5 coins of 200 to make 1,000. The last coin is 500. Do you know how many 500 coins do you need to make 1,000? Let's count together. The first 500. Let's count on by 5 and then 1,000. So we need 1, 2. We need 2 coins of 500 to make 1,000.